Welcome back. Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get you a quick EBIX Cash News alert. Where Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has called an emergency meeting over the sudden rise in the number of coronavirus cases being reported in the national capital. Kejriwal will be holding a review meeting with the Health Minister and the Health Secretary and other concerned officials. Let me go across to Madhurima now, because Madhurima, if we talk about particularly the national capital, since January we've seen a sudden spike of over 500 cases being reported in the last 24 hours. Tell us more on this emergency meeting that is being conducted by the Chief Minister.
Well, Amita, when we talk about this particular meeting, this is coming after, as we know, that a second hit of COVID cases, the second wave has hit the entire country and including the national capital itself. Yesterday as well, 536 cases were reported, though the situation was had gone little under control in the month of January, where where the number of cases were under 100, and there were multiple days when not even a single death was being reported. But looking at the sudden surge, we even saw the Prime Minister conducting a meeting with the chief ministers of all states yesterday. So in regard with that, after that particular meeting, today the Chief Minister of Delhi is holding this particular meeting with Satyendra Jain, the Health Minister, and the Health Secretary to make sure that COVID-19 spread can be curbed. As the Prime Minister said, that small containment zone, the government should not shy from making small containment zone to make sure that the curb and the spread of COVID-19 is contained. And which is why this meeting is being conducted by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. We know that emptying efforts are being made by the Chief Minister and his government from assuring that there are,
the Prime Minister's message yesterday that he gave to the concerned Chief Ministers of all states and union territories while holding that meeting. And owing to the sudden rise that has been reported in several states now, it seems the national capital too has seen a strike in the number of cases being reported, over 500 cases being reported in the last 24 hours itself. Madhurima, thanks very much for joining in. That was a quick EBIX Cash News alert, but let's get you a nationwide update of the coronavirus cases so far.